Individuation is a Jungian concept in psychology which Carl Jung coined in 1921 in his dissertation. It was his attempt to understand the self, evolve in its consciousness, and how it grows as forces in the unconscious also tries to influence the self. And this growth accelerated when one understands what is happening within through mindful watch of the unconscious. Mahirap ihahayag ito sa Tagalog dahil ang konseptong ito ay banyaga sa ating pangunawa at karanasan. Let's us say in English, individuation in ordinary person's term is a process of being into one's real self. Kung sa Tagalog, ito ay ang pagiging buo ng kalooban. In my own understanding of self, based on Jung's concept, this is nearer to a Filipino concept of loob. And in individuation, the self is in a process of balancing what one is conscious of itself and whatever is in the unconscious that affects one's feeling, thinking, and dispositions in life. And the best expression in Filipino is buo ang loob, whole, unfragmented, integrated self. It is a process. The self journeying from being aware who he is, his persona, knowing and embracing the shadow, acknowledging both the feminine and masculine within, and bringing this unity to the self. Isang paglalakbay sa pagkilala ng sariling pagkatao o persona, mga kahinaan o aninong buwabalo sa pagkatao o shadow, pagkilala sa sariling kalakasan at kayumihan o anima or animus, tungo sa katatagan at pagiging buo ng sarili o loob. The story of the prodigal son portrayed this journey. He squandered his inheritance, led a carefree life, winalgas ang pera, tunay na alibugha, at nang maubos ang lahat, doon niya napagtanto ang mga nangyari sa kanya. Jesus, in telling this parable, aims to convey to his disciples the reality of life and the importance of accepting one's shadow and in humility rise from this dire situation. He didn't mention anymore that possibility that he may reoffend, but Jesus gave an optimistic view that humanity could learn from the lessons of the past and hopefully avert the fate of a narcissistic inclination. Jesus presented a hope of wholeness for those who went astray with the image of a forgiving father, yet mindful of the watchful eye of a suspecting elder brother to serve as our guidepost, warning not to fall astray again. This way, we are led to a self that is fully whole and unfragmented.